Are you looking for a drone for kids 8 to 12 with camera? In this video, I will show you the 5 best drone for kids 8 to 12 with camera based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Ryze Tech Tello. Equipped with a high-quality image processor, the Taiyo drone shoots incredible photos and videos. Even if you don't know how to fly, you can record pro-level videos with easy shots and share them on social media from your smartphone. Taiyo has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable, and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. Thanks to all the tech that Tello's packing, like a flight controller powered by DJI, you can perform awesome tricks with this mini drone. Flying has never been so fun and easy. The 4th product on the list is the Holyton HT02 Mini Drone. Under the headless mode, the drone will fly in the direction of the right control stick directs. That is all set from the position of its initial takeoff position. The 3D flip means the drone can flip in 4 directions, forwards, backwards, left and right at the touch of a button. With a short press of the 1-key takeoff button, the drone will take off and hover at a certain height, which allows you to release the throttle stick, and the drone will keep hovers at its current height. The headless mode will help the pilots at any level fly and operate the drone easily. The 3rd product on the list is the HolyTon HS210 Kids Mini Drone. The drone can perform toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips and auto rotation. All kids love it. The speed can be changed to fit pilots' flight proficiency. The altitude hold function enables itself to hover at fixed height stably. Under headless mode, directions is always relative to where pilots face, offering carefree fly for kids, beginners, newbies, etc. The altitude hold function enables itself to hover at fixed height stably. Under headless mode, directions is always relative to where pilots face, offering carefree fly for kids, beginners, newbies, etc. This buddy brings players great fun everywhere for party, school, fishing, hiking, long journey, etc. The 2nd product on the list is the Potensic A20 Mini Drone for kids. A super cute 2.4 GHz mini drone for kids and beginners with 3 batteries, a great indoor RC toy for kids' birthday or holiday gift. All features are equipped 1-key takeoff/landing, altitude hold, headless mode and emergency stop, etc. The simple operation makes it easy for kids and parents to play together. Come on, take it with you and play or race with your whole family. The altitude set by the barometer makes this nano drone stable in the air, so that even beginners or kids can steer more clearly when operating it. With one-touch takeoff and landing, you can easily start and end your flight. Whenever you lose direction or lose control of your mini drone due to strong winds or electronic interference, shut down your mini drone with the emergency stop function. No need to worry about losing it. The 1st product on the list is the Potensic A20 Mini Drone with camera. This RC drone with Wi-Fi HD camera can help you capture high-quality video and photos. See real-time transmission and enjoy a first-person view from air. This mini drone adopted barometric set height technology. It will automatically maintain a certain height when the aircraft flies up. Do not need to manually control it, safe and easy to fly. Easy to operate for kids and beginners with its advanced features: 1-key start/landing, headless mode, emergency stop and so on. Portable mini pocket size. You can take it everywhere. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.